Hello, so we want to resolve this tricky problem. We have root 5 plus root x all over root 125 all equal to 1. So for us to resolve this, we first of all eliminate this denominator that have square root. So by doing so, we multiply both sides. By the square root of 125. So this would then be root 125 times root 5 plus root x all over root 125 all equal to root 125 times 1. So this will cancel this. We will then have root 5 plus root x all equal to root 125. So from here, but 125 is equal to 25 times 5. So we'll have root 5 plus root x all equal to root 25 times 5. So this will then become root 5 plus root x all equal to root 25 is 5 root 5. So we'll be making x the subject of the formula. So we have root x equal to 5 root 5 minus root 5. So this will be root x equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 root 5. So let's square both sides. This will be square root of x all squared equal to 4 root 5 all squared. So this cancel this. We have x equal to the square 4 to the power of 2 is 16, and this square root cancelling out this, we have times 5. So x is equal to 16 times 5 is 80. So our x is equal to 80. But for us to verify, so the question is root 5 plus root x all over root 125 equal to 1. So this is root 5 plus root x all over root 125 equal to 1. So we have root 5 plus root, our x is 80 all over root 125 equal to 1. So root 80, this is root 5 plus root 80 is the same as 4 root 5 all over root 125 equal to 1. So this is the same as 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 root 5 all over root 125, which is equal to 1. So this is 5 root 5 all over root 125 equal to 1. This can cancel out this to give us 5 over root 5. Root 125 divided by 5, we have root 25. Root 25. equal to 1. This implies that 5 over root 25 is 5, which is equal to 1, which implies that 1 is equal to 1. So our x is equal to 80.